Are there effective natural ant control alternatives to homemade borax baits that are safe around children and pets? Use food-grade diatomaceous earth applied in a thin line along ant trails and entry points, because it works mechanically by abrading insect exoskeletons and causing dehydration. Wear a dust mask while applying and keep it dry, since moisture reduces effectiveness. A simple white vinegar and water solution mixed 50% vinegar and 50% water will repel many ant species when sprayed directly on trails and nests, and it also removes scent trails so ants do not return to the same path. Cayenne pepper or ground black pepper sprinkled at entry points irritates ants and acts as a physical deterrent, but reapply after rain or cleaning because it loses potency. Avoid overuse near play areas to prevent irritation to people and pets. A blend of essential oils like peppermint, tea tree, and lemon in a carrier of water, and a small amount of mild soap creates a repellent spray. Use 10 drops of essential oil per 1 cup of water and test a small area first for surface sensitivity. For baiting without borax, try sweet baits with sugar or honey mixed with a tiny amount of vegetable oil so the oil slows ant digestion and increases feeding time, but do not use pesticides. Place baits in shallow containers out of reach of children and pets. Always identify the ant species when possible because some species prefer protein baits and others prefer sweet baits, and adjust your approach accordingly by observing peak foraging times and bait preferences. 3 common mistakes are using too strong concentrations of repellents which simply disperse the colony temporarily instead of eliminating trails, so use milder concentrations and reapply regularly to break the scent path. Relying only on spot treatments without addressing entry points and food sources will lead to reinfestation, so seal cracks, clean up crumbs, and store food in airtight containers. Another mistake is applying diatomaceous earth while it is wet or packing it into cracks where ants can avoid it, which renders it ineffective. Apply it dry in a thin layer on dry surfaces and refresh after cleaning. People also assume essential oils are harmless in any amount and over-apply them near children and pets. Dilute properly, use minimal quantities, and avoid direct contact with skin or eyes. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around home improvement topics like pest control so we can find local help or share experiences. We host a discussion community where we exchange practical tips, ask questions, and get real-world feedback from neighbors and professionals.